Now you'll never miss a post by subscribing to Book's World at Bookidoo and get all the notifications of the new DIYs. Hello and welcome to Book's World. Today's illustration is on the removal and replacement of the CCC unit in a 2005 645 BMW. First, grab you a good radio removal kit, such as this one. I bought it on I don't know, eBay, Amazon, somewhere, but you can grab one. Remove your cup holder. I just happened to doctor up something to make a 2-cup holder out of one. Give it a good pull, tug up, and it will release itself. Okay, put it out of your way. Next, take this. You can go down in there. Let me see, this way we can pry it out. And you want to do the same thing to the top, or go around the sides. Pull it out. It will release itself. Okay, now that you have it released, go to the back. Here's your plug. Very simple. Simply, this one-handed work thing is. There you go. Now you removed it. But I accidentally triggered the hazards, so I'll put it back in. Just turn the hazards off. And then I'll remove. Okay. Great. Now, if you can see, there's a little screw in there. Next, what you'll do is look inside, and you can see that there's actually a little torque screw in there with a screw with a torque head. See if I can get a clearer visual. Okay, there you go. And for that job, I'm going to actually use the torque 20. Some may call it a star bit, whatever you choose to call it. Again, I use the T20. Once you remove the screw, what you do is give it a tug, and this whole piece will come out. Put it up out of your way. All right, and we'll move on to the next. Before moving on to the next, here's a little trick that I usually use. I take my screws and I usually sit them back in the area that it's supposed to be in. This way you never lose them. Or if you don't want to do that, get you a little bucket, a little Tupperware, anything to put your screws in so you don't lose them. But you would just have to remember which screw goes where. Next, we'll remove Phillips head screw and Phillips head screw. Okay, next step, you'll remove the bezel. All right, it's gonna be a little hard. It's gonna give you a little bit of work, but you know, just tug on it. I can't do it with one hand, but you get the picture. There we go. Got that part out. And what you want to do is actually take your vehicle, I guess if you have it in start, you can put it in neutral position just so you can maneuver around, and then you want to get it out your way. Okay, next I'll remove my 4 Phillips head screws. In mine, it happens to be Phillips heads. Some vehicles you might find the Torx T20. All right, whichever you have the right tool to do the job. Okay, now that I've removed the 4 screws, I can actually remove this. Just remember, you have to put your vehicle, put your parking brake on, and of course you're gonna have to move your gear shifter to allow room to remove your CCC unit. Now I have the unit pulled out sideways. In order to start removing these clips, you have this main clip. Let me see if you can see. There is this thing right here, you depress it. There's two pieces, you depress them together, that will release the clip, and that removes the one. Next you'll remove, I guess this would be your antenna. It's a little snug in there. If you need, use your screwdriver to get underneath and give it a light pry. Don't go crazy, you don't want to break anything. Alright, so that's the next one that's removed. Okay, mistake, this is not your antenna, but again, with a little prying you can get it out. Alright, this is actually your antenna. In order to remove this, you'll see here is a little catch. You depress it, pop it right off. Alright, your next one is the same thing. Let's pull it out. Mine happens to already be broken. Somebody must have broken it. Whatever, it's there. Alright, and then we'll go to this last one. Okay, the last one, it's really no trick to it, just slide it out some kind of way. Alright, and now the whole unit is removed. Okay, there we go. Now your replacement unit, you just have to find out if it has the fan on it already. If not, then you're gonna have to remove that and put it on your new one. Also, now that you have the unit removed, check your fuse to make sure that it's not blown. This may have been the reason for the unit not working. If the fuse is good, check your new unit, make sure that there was a fuse that accompanied it. If not, I guess you can just switch that over or replace it with a good fuse. Now, I pulled out my replacement unit, and of course what I did was check my numbers. 65836-974-914. 65836-974-914 matches my old unit, or my stock unit that was in there. So what we'll do now is just go to replace. As always, I thank you for tuning in to Book's World DIYs. Hopefully this video has helped you replace your CCC unit successfully. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe.